Welcome back, third grade. Today we are finishing up our Australian Aboriginal prints. So last week we were able to print, and this week we're going to finish off this project with a really awesome border. So if you did not print, that's fine. You can just take your sketch and do the same thing that I am doing. For those of us in class, we're going to use our prints. So what you need for today, I have a piece of brown paper, which I think looks really nice given the natural look that these Australian Aboriginal artworks have. I have a glue stick, the print from last week. I have small amounts of black and white paint along with some Q-tips. For those of you at home, if you don't have paint, you can also decorate with a black and white crayon or even colored pencil. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my print and I am going to glue it down into the center of this brown paper. You are going to have a pretty big border, but we're going to decorate that with the paint. So don't worry, you'll be able to fill that space. So I'm going to go ahead and just put some glue on the back here. It's not a very big print, so we don't need too much. All right, let's flip that over. Let's make sure that's nice and stuck down there. All right, wonderful. So now that we have it glued down in the border, we want to decorate with some dots. Because Australian Aboriginal artwork uses dots so often, we are going to create a dot border. If you're not sure where to start, you can look back at that paper with the animals and the patterns on it that I shared with you. So what we're going to do is take the Q-tip, this is going to help us create our dots, and we're going to just dip in to the paint in order to help us create our dot pattern. So I would keep the black and the white separate, and I wouldn't mix them together. That's going to make a gray. But you can go ahead and decorate using the Q-tips and the paint that you have here. All right, third grade, so after you finish with your dot border, let your project dry in a safe place and then make sure to turn it in. I'm looking forward to seeing how your Aboriginal prints turned out.